Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Malibu 1LT. Now, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers almost $5,000 in savings towards this specific vehicle. Now, qualified customers can also receive 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500 if they finance through GM Financial. Now, this vehicle does come with your custom black Chevy decals, a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, we can see that we do have jet black leather seating with a relatively large back seat. Have our leather center console, the brand new 2019 Chevy MyLink radio, a heated steering wheel, and our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.